We have a 2014 Acura MDX super handling all-wheel drive tech package. Shortly after taking delivery, we started noticing a ticking noise that was coming from what seemed to be the driver's side wheel well or engine bay area in front of the driver's seat. When driving, the sound comes on between 5 to 40 miles per hour, and over the last 500 plus miles, the ticking has gotten progressively worse and more consistent. So we've tried to isolate the noise, and we were finally able to do so by just gently rocking the car. It makes the same exact noise as when you're driving the car. So just rocking it a little bit. I'm in the driver's front wheel well, and this is the noise it's making. So that is the exact noise that is consistently occurring. We'll be bringing it into the dealer shortly.